Good morning, students. Today we will study about T.H. Morgan's experiment. T.H. Morgan worked with the fruit fly to prove chromosomal theory of inheritance. Drosophila is a suitable material for the genetic study. He opted Drosophila for his study, and the reason behind this why he selected this Drosophila, it breeds very quickly, short generation time, the life cycle is 12 to 14 days only. The breeding can be done throughout the year, hundreds of progeny per mating. They can grow on simple synthetic medium. Male and the female flies are easily distinguishable. It has many hereditary variation that can be seen with low power microscope. So he selected Drosophila for his experiment. Linkage and recombination. Linkage, the physical association of two or more genes on a chromosome. Linked genes do not show independent assortment. Recombination, generation of non-parental gene combination. Here that they are, first example, they are tightly linked, and the second they are loosely linked. How this happening? Now, T.H. Morgan carried out several dihybrid crosses in the Drosophila to study sex-linked gene. Here, in the first, yellow bodies, white eye female, brown body, red eye male, wild type. Second cross, that is white eye miniature winged, red eye large winged, wild type. And through this he found in the very first experiment, if we see very carefully, in the this is the parent male, male and female. Now this is the F1 generation, that male part, and the female part, that chromosome, that how is that changes, that recombination is taking place. If you see on the basis of color, that that here that is two saffron, here we have only single saffron, and this blue black, one blue is there, black. So how this linkage and crossing over taking place. Now again in the F2 generation, that parent, and again recombination, through recombination that again it changes. See that recombining with it, see recombination, and finally separate and different type of F2 generation. So T.H. Morgan intercrossed their F1 progeny, and he found what was the result. The two genes did not segregate independently, and F2 ratio deviated from the 9:3:3:1 ratio. Genes were located on X chromosome. When two genes were situated on the same chromosome, proportion of parental gene combination was much higher than the non-parental type. This is due to linkage. Gene white and yellow were very tightly linked and showed only 1.3% of recombination. White and miniature wing showed 37.2% recombination that were loosely linked. Tightly linked genes show low combination, whereas loosely linked genes show high combination. This was the result of T.H. Morgan. Now Alfred Strouvent used the recombination frequency between gene pair and a measure of distance between gene and mapped their position on the chromosome. Today, genetic maps are used as a starting point in the sequencing of genome that already we have done in the Human Genome Project. Thanks for today.